This is the WUBEN X3 flashlight. Quite small and compact, but don't let the size fool you. This thing is fairly amazing. This is a charger pack, and this lanyard also duals as a USB charging cable, as well as a lightning charging cable right here in the side. Very functional, very cool. I could drop my flashlight in here and it'll start charging right there at 80%. Pop this little guy out and it's got up to 700 lumens, very bright. It also has a red LED too, so if you want to do a little night vision there too. Very, very cool flashlight, lots of functions. This head portion even swivels around, and it has a nice little clip here on the back, so if you want to put it on your belt while you're walking. Very light, very small and lightweight, as you can see. Also can charge wirelessly. Great little flashlight here. Thanks for watching, my friends.